also pia tunaandamana. We're still adding value to what is going on back at home. Please go ahead, the next speaker. Nafikiri ilikuwa 6.
Mi nimekasirika, and there is somebody who's written to my DM anaitwa Wazi, and he has said, bro, how is this guy telling people to limit to 2 minutes and he's talking for a whole damn hour? Honestly speaking, nimekuwa na watch game ya France na Spain ikianza iko dakika ya 43. You guys are not serious. We are not here to listen to one fucking person all that time. That is not what we are out here for. Secondly, I've been going through my TL leo na mtu anasema mnaongea hizo spaces ikifika wakati wa maandamano hakuna mahali, hakuna kisimu mtu anatokea. Guys, you are all frauds. I'm not happy. Muinue mkono hao watu wanaongea huku kifu mmetokea maandamano and you are in Kenya. You are not coming out to those streets. We can't be talking here having conversations daily. Yet somebody is wearing a watch worth 900k. We want to create leaders, yet nobody wants to fight to remove the ones that are here. I've kept on mentioning here, our problem is recycling. Look what a 79-year-old is going to say in front of people. Oh, we need to have dialogue. He doesn't know what the country wants, and we still want those people. Omolo, nobody is going to disintegrate us come 2027. I'll put it, and I said, if it means tweeting with my account from today up to 2027, I will. Until people know that we don't want this set of leaders that are there. They must all go home. What we want is good governance. Mimi siko hapa, I get more than 100 DMs daily. Nitumie cabbage. Is that what I want people to be telling me here on Twitter? No. Nataka hata mimi nipigie Marvin nimwambie Mavo uko wapi? Twende tukule nyama pale Kamakis, tukimaliza tuingie Kenwood address pale. Tupige drink, Mattel, turudi home to doze. Honestly speaking, we are speaking here and I'm very mad because by the time you are seeing these leaders uniting, right now tunafaa tukua hata kesho tumepanga. Huyo Murkomen mwenye alisema amevaa saa 900k. Occupy his office tomorrow. Let him know the wrath of people and let them know ni sisi tumewaemploy. Si wao wametuemploy, ni sisi tumewaemploy. We are paying them with our taxes. Guys, especially people who are in Kenya, and I said it, there is nobody who is woke. You can't be woke and you're earning 50,000, you're earning 100,000 in somebody's office and you say you're earning money. That is damn small money. Go out, protest for a better future. We want people to be paid good salaries. We want good working environments. We want good roads, good drainage system. Have you walked in Nairobi? Personally, there is no street in Nairobi I don't know. Start from Koja, twende hadi OTC, Kamukunji. There is no place I haven't passed to because I worked in that city. There is a place hawezi pita Nairobi town kama haujavaa mask because you'll suffocate. We are here, we are leaving these leaders to keep carrying our shit. Ruto is strategizing daily, breaking us daily. But you are here coming to speak on spaces and you are not going out there on those streets. Let us, whatever we say here is whatever we should be doing. Actions speak louder than words. And I said here, there is no single day mimi nimekosa maandamano, hata ya Sunday nilikuwa. I left town at 10 p.m. on Sunday. So it has reached a point where, as much as we are having conversations on these spaces, we should be out there fighting for our country. Murkomen has found confidence all of a sudden. Anatuwekea tweets 10 kwa siku. Kithure Kindiki is speaking nonsense, and you are letting these people stay in those offices. Nahumicha is saying also bullshit that these people have come here because they have been paid. na tunamwacha akae kwa hiyo ofisi. Why? Right now is the time William Ruto should know, after reject finance bill, we don't want his cabinet. We are this country is not a set of place where we will be rewarding loyalty every day. You cannot keep rewarding your friend a thief. You cannot keep covering for a thief daily because he's your brother. One day he will come and steal your cow, and you will feel that pain. And that is what we are saying. We are seeing right now. We voted Ruto kama mtu wetu. Right now anatuibia sisi wenyewe. So guys, start, wacha William Ruto ajue saizi. We don't want his cabinet. IBC tick. Tushamaliza hapo. What is next? We don't want his cabinet. That is what we should be pushing from Monday to Friday. And we don't want them. So guys, it is time for actions, and let us act. Thank you.
Very, very
May I speak now, kindly?
Yeah, go ahead.
Co-host. So on the heels of 6, I want to say it's true, actually. On WhatsApp, I'm leading a couple of groups. I was leading some chantings, and I mentioned that in one of the spaces. And it's funny how we will do it when we're in the comfort of our houses. But when it comes to going to the streets, and I always used to ask, Nani anaenda, so that we meet up, and nobody used to respond. And this is like four groups with over 100 to 400 people. So it's true. And the other funny thing is how everyone in the DM is always telling me, wacha kwenda, you'll get hurt and everything. But I always ask them if what makes the people who are going on the streets, their lives more special than ours. So I actually 100% second 6. I was so agitated when, I don't know, one of the mandamanos, people just didn't come out. Yet the previous night, everyone was saying how they would go to the streets. Okay, that I digress. It's not what I was coming to say, but I second him. Then the second thing is I wanted to reemphasize what I was saying about mainstream, the news out here. Let me paint for you guys a picture. I went to the market on Monday and I was talking to this Mama Mboga, and she was complaining about her son who was actually shot on the foot. And I was now just saying, oh, mna support nini nini. And then he's like, no, Mimi, from the bottom of my heart, I support Ruto. I don't even know why I love Ruto so much, but I do. My son, on the other hand, alikuwa tu hapa, sijui nani alimtuma, aende huko maandamano. It's not like the country belongs to him. And I was just shook, guys. I'm like, are you seriously talking about your son like that? She's like, yeah, he's just there. I've left him. And I'm blaming him for having done that. Then I turned to the other guys, and they were all saying the same thing. Sisi tumezoea kuumia. Like, it's okay. It doesn't really matter what happens. We don't support you guys. And I spoke to a couple of other people, not related, just different people on a different line. So I just said this to communicate the same message I said before. People on the ground who are the majority are not with us.